Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Izzy here. And today I'm pretending this area is a combined hotel room and these two friends are going into it. Wait, we need to switch it. So in this room first, you have her room. You have her bed over here, which has a window that goes over into here. And then you also have, over here you also have her cat, some paint, some paper, some more paints, and it's all cozy. Over here is more complicated. This is Paisley's room. And over here you have her water bottle, some cornflakes. You have some of her hat for her memories. You have her pet bunny with her beatbox. You have a little chair, and then over here you have her bed, and at the top you have two of her favorite guitars. And they all live snugly in this little one. Let me give you a tour of this whole house.